Of course, I'm just gonna start with the trades I'm in. So let's start with gold. I'm in gold buys. I got in off of right after this 30-minute engulfing, but let me explain why. Why this was such a you could really put a lot on this trade, because on the 4 hour, the last higher low was this level, right? It was at this level. From here, we then broke these previous higher highs to the left with these two candles. So now this makes a new higher high. Right, so that means my fib is here. Point A, point B, right to that top. I came to the 100% level. I'm gonna risk it all. Right? So I didn't need to see a break of resistance in this case. All I needed to see was an engulfing and put that stop right below right here and know that this was a high probability trade. So yeah, I'm still in buys. I'm looking at it from the 4 hour perspective. So what I see now is we are creating higher lows on the 4 hour now. And I think that's going to be maintained and probably give us some major bullish momentum, but we just got to wait and see. That's what I do expect. You see on the daily time frame, we're bullish, right? We're just maintaining higher lows. We just keep doing it over and over again. And the previous candle was an engulfing candle, right? Let's look at it like this. So Monday we closed, we go over to the downside. Yesterday we closed, well, today, last night, yesterday, whatever, we closed as an engulfing candle. There's a really high chance that the US dollar, well, I mean, gold could, go bullish. If not the next candle, the next few candles, because I know we got on Thursday, we have unemployment claims. So, that could cause something. Now for AU, so technically, all right, let's go back and see what was the moment that actually broke structure and why are we in bullish trades. Okay, so this was a 38.2. So that was a real structure level, and then that level was broken by these candles, right? So I'm going to go from the last higher low to the current point that we broke, right? And so we're actually still in this bullish fit in my eyes, right? This is what I'm seeing, and this is why I'm taking buys. I mean, it could continue bearish for all I know, but right now what I do have in my favor is the fact that I think we're in this bullish fib, and also now we have higher lows on the 4 hour candle being maintained after we just broke this resistance level right here. So let's see on the 30-minute why I ended up getting into this trade. Must have been the break, this break right here. But I can go to my, let's pop on over to a different screen. Okay. Where was I? Gold. Oh yeah. No. Wait, I was at AU now. Seems like I got a bit of a late entry. Because actually, no, I didn't. I got the perfect entry, right? Because I had this little resistance here, and then I had this candle, and then I had a bearish candle, so technically it tested. Then I had this massive engulfing. I was like, okay, I'll take a trade after that. So I entered and put my stop loss, I guess, to be safe, all the way under here. So that was cool. So that's why I'm in that trade right there. And I expect it to continue to go bullish long term. So this is the current high low that's being expected right now. Probably know the next scaling opportunity could possibly be seeing some type of engulfing or wick candle or some type of rejection candle on this level. And then for EU, which is the last trade I'm in, I'm just gonna point out this higher low that we have currently being maintained. But yeah, this is a simple trade right here. The last higher low we had was right here. And then the last higher high, obviously up here. So this is the current fib we're in, point A, point B. And we're touching that 61.8, hey, the golden zone. So we left that. Let's see. So a 30-minute. I don't remember what it is that I saw here, but let me see. Put this right here. Okay, I guess I entered in after I saw this break and then these two candles. So I said, boop, and put a stop loss below the previous higher low that was created. So there's that. And yeah, I'd say the same thing. We're about to come into London in a few, maybe 2 hours or 1 hour pre-London. So we're probably gonna go find liquidity, do what we need to do our minor transitions and continue bullish. Or for all I know, it can continue bearish, that's a possibility too. But I do like how it looks on the daily, Looks like a nice high probability trade. But for all I know there's a lot of people who have sell biases, but it's just not what I see, because then again, we have this higher low on the monthly time frame. So this next monthly candle, it could be fat. She's almost an engulfing. She could be thick. Yeah, we'll just see what happens. Oh, and let's take a look at the DXA real quick. Oh, you dirty whore. I hate you and your mother. All right, so I do like using the dollar to correlate. See, here we go. As long as it respects this level, I feel like the moment you see price action start to kind of, show rejection to the upside, saying it's going to go back bearish, more than likely we're going to have a correlation of these other pairs starting to go back bullish. So I just look out for that. All right.